After a busy day of coaster riding, the SeaWorld Suite at Club Wyndham Bonnet Creek is the perfect place to chill. Let's go check it out.
Welcome to Club Wyndham SeaWorld Cribs. We are in the kitchen.
What do we got?
You can make snow donuts. A little penguin. You can drink wine with your penguin wine opener. I don't drink wine, but this is too much fun. You can have coffee in your penguin coffee cup. You can cook. Oh my gosh, it's a penguin cutting. What's it called? Charcuterie board.
Ooh.
Look at that.
You could put some fish on it.
No.
No?
You can put some candy fish on it, maybe some Swedish fish. All the penguins. He's my favorite.
Here's a little kitty.
You got ice in there. But you
Ice
can
cubes.
change colors. It's bathroom. A very big bathroom.